Pizza, anyone? Today we are making no-bake cookies. Yes, no-bake cookies. Cookies that you actually cook. Why are cookies called cookies and bacon called bacon? When you cook bacon and bake cookies. So these cookies are the best kind because you actually cook them. Butter. Cocoa powder. More butter. I'm afraid to throw this one.
Take it.
Vanilla. Oatmeal. More peanut butter. And stated. But I broke it. Okay. The measuring tools.
Retrieve all this stuff.
Water. Let's see.
You need some milk now.
Chocolate oat milk. Add sugar. And saucepan. Okay. Hey, does anyone know what the heck is a saucepan?
Is it a pan made sauce?
2 cups of sugar.
Ow,
I pulled my finger. Aprons. We need aprons.
Oh, aprons.
Aprons. Aprons. Where are they? Aprons. Where did they go?
I cannot find them.
Where did they go? Oh, here they are.
It's got pumpkins on it.
Go away. I'll just switch it to a bigger one. Now
Jump
the
in.
satisfying part.
Jumping.
And there's this for us. Okay, now that those are washed, we cannot touch any more stuff like this. And for instance, we can't do this. Okay? Cube.
This is a rectangle.
I don't care at this point.
Wait.
Ingredient.
Wait. The ingredients.
Boy, don't take the ingredients out.
Yeah.
Ingredient. Cocoa. I forgot one ingredient. There it is.
7.
Okay.
The last bit.
Okay. So the next ingredient
Is
and milk. Okay, milk. Simple. Go. Hey.
vacuum cleaner skin now.
Nice. Okay. My shoe has milk on it. That sound like kind of fire.
Yes.
I can sing. Mix. Keep like cutting them up and mixing around. I didn't tell you this.
Oh. It's a knife.
Here, keep mixing with both of those.
Oops.
What?
It's a knife. No, we're knife. We'll get you out of there. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, get it! I got it.
Delivers. Duh.
What is duh? I've never heard of duh before.
This is how true chefs do it.
What? We just. Oh, is it really? Is it
puppy?
bubble?
Is that a bubble?
I saw a bubble.
This literally is boiling in the middle right there.
That was on purpose. I'm adding it in, even though you can't see it. Okay, keep stirring. It's all the butter, the peanut butter, whatever it's called.
In.
In you go, carefully.
Twirling. What is this? Add oatmeal. 3 cups.
One. What? 1 million.
No chocolate.
No chocolate.
No oats.
Did you know that I have the ability to take his glasses? Do I look different? Do I look like an Eli?
No. I finally finished my Sprite, so you're not gonna see any of that anymore. Oh man, Janice. Gosh. Look at that deliciousness. Oh, Mix in those oats. I don't know. Just says first day in the kitchen. I actually can't cook.
But you're cooking right now.
By myself.
Hey, Anthony.
Yeah?
Eli's mom wants him to go home.
No!
Oh.
Just finish this up.
Just finish it up.
We're literally like done. Okay. Okay. Go.
Position.
Yes. Go, just finish these up. Hurry, grab a spoon and help me.
Got it.
Just lay these out. Oh, that was a good song.
Hey, you can. Oh no.
Gonna be on the bottom of your shoe.
Bye-bye, Eli.
Bye-bye.
No, go. Okay, I'm pretty sure the cookies are done. Good. That is the end of this video. Bye-bye. Is your cookies cooking? Bye-bye.